Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cooking a prime rib to medium rare is our preferred doneness. It has a red, warm center. You'll want to remove the roast from the oven when its internal temperature reaches 110, which for a 5 pounds roast should take about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then, let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing and serving.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
For best results, salt your prime rib on all surfaces with kosher salt at least 45 minutes before you start cooking it, and preferably the day before, leaving it in the fridge uncovered overnight. Your meat ends up better seasoned with less salty runoff.
Take our lead.
Be sure to allow the prime rib to set out at room temperature for approximately 2 hours before cooking. Allow it to reach room temperature before cooking because the roast should not be cold when it starts to cook.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.